What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and jumping right in, the company I will be working with today is Jessie's Wigs. Here I'm showing you all the goodies. They sent me a wig cap, some 3D mink lashes, the cutest little elastic band, and it has their brand name Jessie's Wig on it, and then of course the unit. This is their highlight black and blonde HD lace wig. This is a 5x5 closure. It is 24 inches and 180 density. I have a discount code for you guys, HY12 for 12% off. Did come with adjustable straps, combs, and an elastic band. This is what the lace is looking like straight out of the pack. This hair did come pre-styled. It came in the middle part with some curls, even though the hair was body wave texture. All I had to do was bleach the knots off camera. Hairline came pre-plucked, and now I'm jumping right into the install, just cutting off the edges of the closure. We don't need those. And now I'm going to go in with my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. I'm going to be using 3 layers of this glue, using a popsicle stick in between, and my Songbird blow dryer on low medium heat. Like I said, I am going to do 3 layers of this glue. You want to dry until it's completely clear. Once that's done, I add 2 more thin layers using my blow dryer in between. As you guys can see, this glue dries like clockwork. It dries quick, fast, so you got to work kind of fast. I didn't do a ball cap method just because my hair is short and platinum, so I really don't see the point. As long as I'm keeping the glue off my hair, we good to go. As you guys can see, I'm definitely putting the adhesive right in front of my hairline, so everything worked out perfectly. Once I get through with this second layer, I'm going to do 1 more application of glue, and then that will be the finished layer. I'm going to blow dry it till it's clear, like I said beforehand, and once that's done, we're going to slap this lace on. Next, I'm going to go on with my eyebrow razor. I've already cut down the middle with my cuticle scissors. Now I'm just going to show you guys me cutting off the excess lace. The lace was already given scalp. I didn't have to put no makeup or anything on this unit really like that, and it was already blending in and looking very much realistic. We are going to do a no baby hair look. Y'all know I said that I'm getting tired of the baby hair, so I'm trying to put them to rest, okay? This is what the closure is looking like. Now I'm just going in with my cuticle scissors, cutting off any excess lace that my eyebrow razor didn't catch, and this is what we're looking like. Now I'm going to go in with my Ebin or Eben Wonder Lace Spray, and I'm just going to spray that directly on top. And as you guys can see, as soon as I spray that spray on top of the lace, it seals the deal. Like, it melts the lace right on in and gives me, you know, the look that I am going for. Once that is done, I'm going to take the edge of my rat tail comb and just use that to press my lace down while using my Songbird blow dryer. Once we get through with that, I'm going to go ahead and do my middle part, get ready to style, use my hot comb, make sure everything is all nice and slick and flat. And then we're going to tie all of this down with the elastic band that the company provided for me and get into these curls. Now, since I was doing a no baby hair look, I wasn't trying to go too dramatic or anything like that. But since the unit did come not pre-plugged, but it did come pre-plugged, but pre-styled. It already came in the middle part. I just figured, why not just keep it in the middle part? So I'm just pulling that part right back out how it was when I got it out the box. And now I'm just going to take my hot comb and my wax stick and just smooth everything out. Like I said, you want to get all the lumps, humps, and bumps out. We want it as flat as possible. If you have braids, you know, you want to get it as flat as possible. With this being, you know, a bald head up under this wig, it's already flat, but I want it to look like my hair, you know. So now after that's done and I get my parting to my liking, I'm going to go in with my Clairol Root Touch-Up Spray and just go back over my roots a little bit where my part is. I did kind of over bleach the knots a little bit, but that's a quick fix. Don't worry. Once that's done, to seal all of that in, I am going to use my Songbird blow dryer and my Conair hot comb. I do have it set on 350 degrees, or the middle button. I got this from Target for about $50. If you guys need a direct link below, just let me know in the comment section and I will drop the link for it. This hot comb gets really hot and gets pretty heated very quickly. It doesn't stay on. It does have like a little self timer where it'll cut itself off, which I think is perfect, because I feel like you can ruin your hot combs when, you know, you just leave them on. And I find myself sometimes leaving out on my workstation or leaving my hot comb on and it be on for hours and hours. Like, that's really a big safety hazard. So if you can invest in one that'll cut itself off after a while, that's perfect. This one does. Like I said, it's from Target and it was only $50. Now I'm just running the hot comb through the top to get it as flat as possible, as flat enough to my liking. Once we get that done, I am going to wrap this lace down with my adjustable elastic band that they gave me, and we will get right into these curls. For my curls, I'm going to be using my Babyliss Pro Titanium Ceramic Straightener. This is a 1/2 inch straightener, but you can straighten hair or do curls. I always find myself doing curls with this just because it's so quick and easy. This hair is body wave, so the curls came out very good. I didn't want nothing super tight, and it wasn't loose either. As you guys can see, the hair definitely had a lot of body to it before I even curled it, so that was a plus. I did speed this up just for the sake of the video. Curling hair, you know, takes forever, so I did want to show you guys me curling one side completely from start to finish. I started at the bottom and I'm just going to work my way up to the top. I'm pulling out maybe an inch worth of hair, of parting space worth of hair, and I'm just curling away from my face and clipping the excess hair upwards until I get away, well, you know, until I get up to the top. Now I'm going to repeat these same steps. It's very repetitive, like I said, until I get all the way up to the top, as you guys can see. And I'm going to come back with one side completely curled, show you the difference on the curls, what they look like fresh out of the pack, body wave, and then if you actually go in and style the hair yourself. And then we're going to come back with the curls completely done, bust off that elastic band, show you guys what the lace is looking like, and wrap this video up. Once I finish that last curl, now I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and kind of form or style my bang area. And as you guys can see, this is what the fresh popped out curls looking like, and then what the uncurled side looks like. Very, very cute. Definitely giving. Now I'm coming back to you guys with the elastic band done. We've let that lace cook up, and this is what it's looking like. Definitely scalp, no baby hairs needed. Okay, now I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 235, and I'm just going to pop that into my part. I did not do a ball cap up underneath because, like I said, I felt like it wasn't needed. As soon as I put this makeup on the top of the lace where the part was, it was already giving scalp. Okay, so I'd rather work smarter than harder. Those of you who've been subscribed to me already know how I get down. Now this is what everything is looking like up close and personal, no filter. And y'all, get into this lace. Get into this 5x5. Okay, definitely very much giving frontal vibes. Definitely giving my hair, you know. And then I love the no baby hair look. It's given. Okay, I'm trying my best to make sure I stay on top of the no baby hair look, because this is what y'all be asking for. A lot of girls are saying that they're tired of the baby hairs, they over the baby hairs. Like, let them grow up, let the baby hairs grow up. So that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, trying to stick to the script, take it back to the basics with, you know, a simple clean cut hairline, everything pushed back, looking natural, realistic, because that's what we want. This is what the back of the unit is looking like. Very much full. Like I said, this is 180 density, and it is 24 inches. Look at them curls. Look at that. For me to comb the hair out, because this is after I combed it out, like for me to comb the hair out and the curls really still holding and sitting like that at the bottom really just gave me life. Okay, I like the luster of the hair, the body of the hair. Like, it was very smooth. I could run my fingers through it. I didn't get no shedding, anything like that. And you know, usually with custom colored hair, it be feeling processed, but this one was definitely giving soft, luster, silky. Like, I wasn't disappointed at all. This is what the front of the unit is looking like, y'all. I love the little peekaboo 613 highlight color. Definitely give the unit just a pop, a different vibe, making it look, you know, just a little oomph, so you ain't looking so basic. And I love how seamless this closure is laying and looking. I had to do a zoom up close and personal for you guys. I already know I eat the close-ups up. Okay. So get into it. You guys see how we coming. Again, this is Jessie's Wig. This is their black and 613 blonde 5x5 HD closure. It is in the texture body wave and did come in 180 density. Get into it. If you guys like this video and love this company's wig, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you've heard of Jessie's wigs before. Do you like her collection? Did Jessie snap with this one, or did she not? I definitely think she did. Get into it, y'all. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all so much. We're on the road to 130K, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Mwah.